Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor, and this morning I'll be breaking down the market structure of BTC USD, the importance of consolidation in BTC USD, because for the past 6 months now, BTC has been in consolidation because when BTC happened, when the crisis of BTC occurred in November 2021, BTC was 69,000, almost $70,000 before BTC fell, and the market fell and dropped to $16,000 from $70,000 to $70,000 to $16,000. So market fell from $70,000 to $16,000, and that was a massive loss in the market. But something exciting happened after the fall of BTC, and the market was in chaos. And in 2023, in March, in December, in 2023, November 2022, then BTC came back to life. In December 2022, BTC came back to life, that the market begins to change and change and change. And right now, BTC came to the same location, the same key zone, the same previous key zone of $70,000. And the market could not break that structure. And since then, market came to $70,000 since March. And we are now in September 24th, 2024. And market has not been able to break that structure. Something amazing is now happening. Market is now consolidating. Market has been consolidating. BTC has been consolidating in weekly time frame since March 25th, that it reached $70,000. And what does it have to tell us as a technical analyst, as a trader? That before you zooming out to the monthly or weekly time frame, help us to understand the power of price action. That yes, fundamental amazing, CNN are doing amazing work, folks are doing extraordinary work. But as a chart analyst, if you can understand the power of price action, it will help you to demystify every market. You will analyze every market and make right decision 60% of the time if you are patient enough. Understanding basic price action can change your trading career, because, like I used to say, market has memory. You can see now that when market, the first time BTC broke the internet was $70,000, and people were already projecting $200,000, $100,000. But what happened? The market fell between November 2021, between November 2022 to December 2022, between November of 20, between November 2021 to November 2022, within a year, BTC fell from $70,000 to $16,000. And everybody was saying BTC is coming back to zero. There's no future for BTC again. Everybody are just saying different things in the market. Is this the end of BTC? Is that what BTC can offer? But something amazing happened. Something exciting happened. BTC owed back itself and market was moving back. Understanding price action will give you peace of mind when there are too much noise in the market. Just zoom out, come to weekly time frame, go to monthly time frame, and see what market is doing. And that one will give you the ability to understand, to figure out before you enter, click that buy and sell button. And you can now enter market once and hold that market for as long as possible. So do you know how many click of buy and sell button people have done here? Do you know how many click of buy and sell button between March and July people have done in this space? As a swing trader now, this market is in consolidation because this is higher high, higher low, equal high, almost equal low here, equal high, almost equal low here. So markets was ranging. And it is good because according to Dow theory, for market to move from higher high to higher low or lower high to lower low, market must consolidate. Market do not just buy and sell. Market buy, market sell, market consolidate. So what market is actually doing right now in BTC USD is consolidation. And we can see in weekly time frame. Now, here is the kicker. If BTC, if BTC could not penetrate $70,000 key zones, and right now BTC is in, and right now BTC is at $52,000. Now there are two choices for this market. It is either $52,200 hold, $52,000 is either market hold at $48,000 and picked up, and BTC shoot to the moon. I mean, BTC moved to $100,000. Now you can see power of price action. Hear it from here. If BTC could not break this $48,000 and go back to this key level, market is coming to $100,000. BTC is coming to $100,000. But if BTC could not break this $48,000, if market do something like this, they test this key level, then BTC is coming to $30,000 back. Sorry, guys. BTC is coming to $28,000, $30,000 key zones back. Understanding price action can change your trading career. If BTC broke this level and retested, based on the law of price action, BTC is coming back to $30,000. And from $30,000, then the next phase can happen. But right now, this is what exactly BTC is doing. BTC is at $54,000, and the market has been ranging and ranging and ranging over there. Now, this is daily time frame. Now, right now, this is daily time frame, and you can see a lot of mess, but you can see from the big picture of what market is doing. Understanding this gives you an edge over others in the market space. So if you are looking for an entry somewhere around here, this seems like a perfect entry for now. But you must be ready to take your profit somewhere around here. Ready to take your profit somewhere around here for the entry of BTC. But in the weekly time frame, then there's a lot of things going on right now. So that is the power of price action. It gives you your trading meaning. It gives you the ability to understand what market is doing without reading news, because we are technicalists, we are chartists, and we are pro price action trading. That is what we do. So understanding this, and you can use this strategy anywhere. I mean, you can analyze any market, be it oil, be it UH30, be it gold, NASDAQ, any market price, because you are a price action trader. And that's one of the things that give us the ability to have confidence in what we do, that we actually know what is going on. And that one can now gives you right decision. Imagine in weekly time frame now, if BTC broke this level and retest, you can enter the swing trading and be expecting to take your profit at $30,000. And that is huge. And that is all I have for us this morning on BTC USD. That right now, BTC is about to make serious decision, either massive buy or massive sell. Something exciting is going to happen. But until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep dissecting the market. Go into your chart, go and plot the key levels, understand what is happening in the market, and that will give you a clue of what market is doing. Something exciting is coming to BTC. BTC indeed has the capacity to enter $100,000, and it will be like a joke. People will not believe it. If market, as long as BTC do not break this $48,000 and this market consolidation broke out this symmetric triangle, then BTC have chance of breaking this structure and move to $100,000, because we can see here that here BTC was $25,000, $70,000. Now you can see the power of price action. Here BTC was $25,000. Here was $70,000. That is 45,000 now. From $70,000, the probability is going probability of going to $100,000, which is perfect higher high and higher low price action. And that's because once market broke this structure, it will turn this resistance to support level. And once this key level hold at support level, from 70,000, BTC have the probability of moving to $100,000. And that is what I have for us guys this morning. Until I come your way again next time, be safe. Please subscribe to this channel and drop your comment below about what you think about BTC USD. Bye.